So when you sign up on AlgoTicker, you can create your own strategies. So to create your own strategy, you have to go to Algos. So basically you can create your own algo. So you can click add algo button. Then you can name whatever, basically whatever your strategy is based on your indicator based, time based, or RSI based, or particular options or particular index, you can name accordingly. So I will just now RSI 50 something like that. This is not an actual strategy, I'm just giving you example, so don't take this strategy as a strategy. Okay, then continue. So you will be redirected to this page. So on this page you can add all these conditions in what particular index you want to buy options. It may be bank nifty, nifty, fin nifty, you can choose one. Then you can select the lot count, so 1 2 3 whatever the lot count. So basically for bank nifty, current one lot size is for 30. So if you choose 2 lot count, so it will be quantity will be 60 likewise. Then this particular indicators, if your strategy is based on indicators, so this indicators will be based on which which particular instrument. It will be the direct that indices, so bank nifty indices, or it might be the option in which actually we are going to trade, or it might be futures, so you can select accordingly. Okay, so then you can select the trade type. It should be long or short, means if you want to buy then it will be long, if you want to sell then it will be short. Okay, then there are two options to choose the options, means which options to select to check this indicator or to buy or sell. So there are two options, or either moneyness on basis of ATM, ITM, OTM, or nearest to premium price. So right now I'm choosing this nearest to premium price, and I'm selecting this 300. So what are the option nearest to that particular 300 will be selected, and I am selecting C or P. So on basis of your condition you can select this one, C or P, call or either call or put. Then you can select the candle size, on which candle sizes this particular strategy will this particular indicators will run. So it might be 5 minutes, 3 minutes, 1 minute, 15 minutes likewise. Okay, then basically you can select the mode, so it will be test or live. If you select test mode, so all this strategy will run in test mode, so it will not buy or sell on actual broker. It will just save this record, means it will be like paper trading, but for testing purpose. Then you can select this particular product types. It may be intraday or delivery. So for Zerodha, you know, my MIS order. So for intraday and delivery, CNC likewise. So according to broker, it will buy, means it will buy the proper instrument. For upstock and other thing, there might be some different naming. So you can select intraday or delivery. Then there will be the option to select inactive or active. This option given when you have particular strategy running, but you don't want to run that particular anymore, so you can make it inactive. So it will not run actually, so you can just make it inactive. Then you can select the days of week when you want to run this particular strategy. So you can select Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, whatever you want. If your strategy is performing on Monday or Wednesday only, so you can select that 2 days only, or if works for all days, you can select all days. Then basically there are three types of things here, means pre-entry rules, entry rules, and exit rules. So if you are familiar with other platforms, you might know entry rules, exit rules. Pre-entry rules exists only on AlgoTicker. So I will tell you the logic. So basically when we have something like entry rule, means we have, suppose we have entry rule like when RSI is above 50, I want to buy. Okay, so pre-entry rule should be opposite to that. It should be less than 50 or it should be less than 40. So basically we'll first check the pre-entry. RSI should go down to 40, and then only it should check when it goes above 50, then it will buy once. So likewise you can change it accordingly. So and then there is this options to add. So there are this multiple options, means comparatively, means is greater than, less than, equal to. You can compare two things. Then you can add, subtract, multiply, divide. These things can be performed. So right now I will just select is less than. So basically it will give you basically it will add this two options to select, means left side and right side. So for left side I will select this RSI. So I will right now just select indicator. I will tell you other drop downs also, and then I can select this particular indicator. So there is this relative strength index RSI on period of 14. You can change the period whatever you want. Then you can select the values. It should be on close, open, high, low, volume, or OI. So right now I'm selecting close, so it will save this. So here I have it RSI 5 minutes 14 and close. Then basically here I can select the other option like number. So I want to check if RSI is less than 40 though. So then I have added this one. Yeah, RSI for 5 minutes candle for 14 periods, and it's on basis of close, it should be 40. Then basically this is a pre-entry rule is done, and then basically it will start to check for entry rules and all this. Like now I will go to this add section again. So is greater than, then again I will select same RSI. Now I will tell you what other options we have. So we have indicators. Okay, in indicators we have multiple options like simple moving average, exponential moving average, weighted moving average, and MACD, then stochastic RSI, Bollinger Band, then ADX, then likewise what are the common indicators we have. We already have it here, so you can select one of those. So right now I will again select this RSI, and then basically 14 period same, close same, then save, and it should be greater than 50. So I will select this number. Okay, 50. Okay, then for exit rule you can add some exit rule if you want to add, otherwise it's optional. If you don't want to add, you can just go for stop loss and target. Okay, so for now I will show you other options here also. So we have added number and indicator only. There are candlestick patterns also available, where if you want to add for 15 minutes like some bullish engulfing, bearish engulfing pattern, abandon baby doji, then bullish Arabian, other common candlestick patterns are available here. So you can select them, and basically on basis of that we can compare with some boolean value true or false. So here we have given this boolean also, so you can compare it with true or false, and then basically current time you can select for in basically of your strategy on basis of time. Then you can select the current time should be greater than particular this time, so you can mention time here. And then other than that you can select candle attribute. So like for candle side 5 minutes, 15 minutes likewise, and then basically you can select these attributes open, high, low, close. If you want to compare this particular attributes with some value, okay, then you can do that. So this comparison will be there. So these are things like entry rule, like pre-entry rule, and then exit rule you can add. And after that you can select your stop loss, target, and all these things. So stop loss you can select basis of number of points, or you can select basis of percentage. Okay, so if you are selecting number point, if you want to stop loss point as a 10, and you should have some target basically means number points only, so you will have that proper risk reward ratio. So if there is 10, then for 1:2 you can have it 20, or for 2.5 25, or 1:3 then 30. Likewise you can add, you can also add in number of percentage like 5%, and then here is 10% or something like that. That can also be done. And then basically you have option to trail stop loss. So if you want to trail the stop loss, so right now I have mentioned here trail stop loss will work only after target hit. So basically whenever we have some strategy, we should follow that particular risk reward ratio. So if you have that 1:2, then trailing should be done after that target only. So it should not affect your risk reward ratio. So that's why. And if you have something like that key, I want to start trailing after 10 points only, then you should put 10 as a stop loss and 10 as a target point, and then start trailing. Likewise that can also be done, but that is not suggested. So this is how you can create your own algo, and then just you have to save this particular thing, and then your algo is ready. Then we had that particular strategy inactive, so I will just make it active. So we can make it active from here, or we can make inactive active from here also. So basically once we have started this strategy, once you had any trade, then we are not giving option to change this strategy. So if you want to change this strategy, you can duplicate this strategy and make the changes in your new strategy. So basically it will not change the parameters what we already taken some trades and all these things. So that's why this option is there. So now I have just duplicated this strategy, so it has name of copy of RSI 50 and something like that. So you can change the name and all these things. So all these options are available here, so you can do that. So likewise you can create the strategies. So that's it for this video. Thank you.